Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a premium power adapter can't be tiny, yet the eero 15W USB-C charger proves otherwise, packing stability into a 4.9-foot white cable. Field data shows the unit delivers a smooth 100 to 240 volt range, 0.45 ampere draw, and 50 to 60 Hz frequency without a hint of heat, even when an eero 7 is humming. Another pattern emerges from long-term testing. The type of plug stays snug, preventing accidental drops that usually plague adapters, and the USB-C tip locks firmly, allowing the mesh to stay online during a power surge. A final signal points to its universal demeanor. It powers eero 6, eero 6 Plus, eero Po E6, and eero 7 with equal confidence. Verdict: ideal for homeowners who demand uninterrupted Wi-Fi and a discreet power footprint.